Hi, today we're going to be making do-it-yourself cold weather hand warmers. I've got some water here, some ice melter, which is primarily used for melting the ice in your driveway during the wintertime, a thermal infrared thermometer, and a Ziploc bag. Take the ice melter. Now this is called Driveway Heat. That's the brand name of it, Driveway Heat. Any other kinds of ice melter, at least the ones that I've tested, will not work. Only the Driveway Heat will work for this experiment. Put the Driveway Heat into the Ziploc bag. Now, under normal temperatures, when I scan it, it comes out to be about 45 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know if you can see that or not. But when added with water, you don't want to put too much water in it, just enough. Seal the bag. And kind of massage it around so that the Driveway Heat and the water mix. Takes a little bit to get going. You slosh it around back and forth until you start to feel it get warm. Check the temperature. Little more mixing needs to be done. And we're up to 86 degrees already. $97 degrees. Now you can use these once you make them. I mean, it's starting to get winter time. It's almost Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's. You can use these to keep your hands warm during the frigid cold temperatures that we're going to be getting very soon. $106 degrees. So you can tell that, you know, it's something you can hold on to, keep your hands warm. Even if you have gloves, it will help tremendously. So get yourself some Driveway Heat and mix it with just a little bit of water. You don't want to put too much water in it because then it dilutes it too much and it doesn't heat up. So we're well over 100 degrees right now, and it's really, really warming my hands. This is a great way to also keep your body warm if you fold it over and maybe stick it in an inner pocket in a jacket, a coat, something, you know, where you can keep it close to your body. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.